They call it America's last frontier, a land so vast, wild, and untouched, it feels like another world. Welcome to Alaska, where nature writes the rules, and adventure has no limits. Step into Alaska, the largest state in the U.S., yet one of the least populated. Here, wilderness stretches beyond the horizon, and nature dominates the landscape. Every direction you turn feels like stepping into a postcard. Glaciers here are alive, constantly moving, cracking, and reshaping the land. Watch as massive sheets of ice, older than human history, slide down mountains toward the sea. Mountains aren't just big in Alaska, they're colossal. Denali, North America's tallest peak, rises over 20,000 feet, its snow-covered summit often hidden in swirling clouds. In summer, the sun refuses to set, bathing the land in endless daylight. This midnight sun means more time to hike, fish, and explore without worrying about darkness. In winter, the nights come alive with a different kind of magic. The Northern Lights. Green, purple, and pink ribbons dance across the Arctic sky, painting a scene that feels otherworldly. Alaska's wildlife is as wild as its landscapes. Watch grizzly bears stand knee-deep in rushing rivers, fishing for salmon in scenes straight from a nature documentary. Off the coast, the ocean comes alive with giants. Orcas slice through the waves, and humpback whales breach, sending plumes of spray into the crisp air. Anchorage, Alaska's largest city, offers the best of both worlds, modern comfort surrounded by mountains, glaciers, and the ocean. Within minutes, you can leave the city and be deep in the wild. Fairbanks serves as the gateway to the Arctic. In summer, it's a hub for river adventures. In winter, it's one of the best places in the world to see the Northern Lights. Juneau, the state capital, has no road connections to the outside world. You can only reach it by boat or plane, adding to its secluded charm. Cruise through the Inside Passage. A winding route of fjords, islands, and towering cliffs. It's one of the most scenic sea journeys on Earth. Mendenhall Glacier, just outside Juneau, lets you walk on ancient ice. The shades of blue inside its caves are like nothing you've ever seen. The Alaska Railroad offers a front-row seat to the state's beauty. Wide windows frame mountains, rivers, and endless forests as the train glides through untouched wilderness. In Skagway, step back into the gold rush era. Wooden sidewalks, historic saloons, and rugged trails recall the days when fortune seekers poured into Alaska's wild interior. Paddle a kayak through quiet bays where glaciers meet the sea. The only sounds are your paddle dipping into the water and the distant rumble of ice breaking. Wrangell, St. Elias National Park is the largest in the United States, bigger than some entire countries. Here, jagged peaks, massive glaciers, and wild rivers stretch farther than the eye can see. Fishing in Alaska is unlike anywhere else. In clear rivers and lakes, you can see salmon swimming at your feet, and the thrill of reeling one in is unforgettable. Kenai Fjords National Park is where mountains, ice, and ocean collide. Its glaciers feed into rich waters teeming with seals, seabirds, and whales. Take a flight-seeing tour over Denali National Park. From above, you'll see winding rivers, glacier fields, and the immense mountain itself dominating the skyline. Katmai National Park is home to one of nature's greatest shows, brown bears catching salmon mid-leap at Brooks Falls. It's a scene wildlife photographers dream of. Drive the Seward Highway, one of the most beautiful roads in America. Every turn reveals mountains, fjords, and waterfalls tumbling from high cliffs. Celebrate the midnight sun at summer festivals where locals play baseball at midnight, illuminated by natural daylight. In winter, experience the thrill of a dog sled ride across snowy plains. Feel the cold wind on your face as a team of huskies races across the tundra. The Iditarod is Alaska's most famous sled dog race, covering nearly 1,000 miles of frozen wilderness. It's a true test of skill, endurance, and bond between musher and dogs. Soak in Chena hot springs while snow falls around you. The steam rises into the cold air, creating an otherworldly winter spa experience. In Glacier Bay National Park, massive ice walls rise straight from the sea. Watch as chunks the size of buildings break away and crash into the water.